Community.
Good morning.
So we decided we're not gonna go to the the river fire event that they're having here in town today.
Why is this? Come on, guys.
Nora, go bother Daddy. I'm just not feeling. God, I'm just not feeling well enough.
And it's raining.
And it's raining, yeah.
And it's cold out there.
Well, the cold, I don't care. Or the rain, I don't. This. Will you stop getting in the trash? You're not an alley cat. You're not a trash cat. You're an indoor cat. You have lots of toys to play with. You don't need trash. Anyway, yeah, the more I move around, the more nauseous I'm feeling. And it can't be from the diet change. So we're wondering if they changed one of the brands of my medication and if that's what's doing it.
They changed all the brands of your medications.
Yeah, and at least 30 times today.
Can we bolt it to the floor?
No. So, and plus walking around over there, my feet are really sore, so it would bother my feet. And I don't know how muddy it is or anything, so I don't know how the wheelchair would do over there with the rain.
Well, it's cold out there.
You got a nice warm jacket and boots you could have worn. And everybody would have been laughing at you. They all want to laugh at you. They're all going to laugh at you. So, anyway, I'm just doing laundry. And well, I only had 2 loads, so the last load's in the dryer now. So I did laundry, cleaned up the kitchen. I was going to do a nibbling tonight, but I'm not. I don't know if I can even do that. You know, if you're nauseous, you just don't feel like messing with food.
Yeah.
So, I don't even know. I'll see how I feel. If I feel a little bit better, I'll do it. But if not, I don't know what we're going to have for dinner. So, what did you do today, babe, so far?
Went to the store.
Woohoo! You're normal. What'd you get at the store?
Stuff to put up your curtains, is all.
Yay! So if we don't hang the curtains today, because we're going to watch a movie. If we don't hang the curtains today, we will hang the curtains tomorrow.
We've been hearing about dinosaurs lately in the neighborhood. Like, oh my God, there's one now. Holy crap, what in the world? Ah! Dinosaurs! Get out of here! Get out of here, dinosaurs! Shoo!
We're watching the movie The Birds. I think Nora likes it. Okay, she's going to get a little closer and investigate. Brain overload, brain overload. They're all gonna go away. All gone. Hey everybody.
Hey.
We're switching positions tonight. I'm being quiet. He's gonna be loud.
Well, let's hope somebody actually heard some of that.
Never mind. It's not important because it's not gonna happen. So, we ended up not going to... Did I already say this?
Yeah, this morning, but I kind of wish we had, but kind of glad we didn't.
Yeah.
It's cold out there.
It was cold out there today. It was 47 degrees. I would have been fine with a sweatshirt or a jacket. Kevin would have worn his new jacket that we bought. But, like I said, the more I get up and move around, the more nauseous I get. So I'm at least getting my chores done around the house. But it would have been nice to go. But next year. It's just hard this month because of my surgery and
Too much going on.
yeah, too much happening. So
And I'm exhausted from yesterday.
yeah. It was a rough day for you yesterday. So but so that's about it for me. I've been plugging away at the YouTube stuff. Well, I say here. So, what'd you do?
Well, I spent most of the time trying to figure out my Canon XA10, and I'm having issues with it. I'm having trouble with external microphones, which was one of the main reasons I bought it. And so I'm kind of bummed about that. I don't know whether there's a problem with the camera or if I'm just doing something wrong. But it's a drag. I got some nice microphones and everything, but I can't get them to work properly.
And is that on the camera that you bought with Dave, or?
No, this is the one that we...
Okay, that we bought.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, might see about taking it to a camera repair and see.
I don't know if there is such a thing around here.
Yeah. We might have to go down to Concord and go to the mall or something.
Well, right now I was just trying to go online and see if I could find, you know, usually if you find something wrong with something like this, it's because of it's got an issue or a glitch that everybody has run into, and you could find information online. But I haven't been able to find, you know, anybody who has a chat thread talking about the camera or anything. It's not the newest of cameras. It's a couple of years old now, so they're already working with an XA35, and this is an XA10. So it's a complicated camera. I'm still trying to figure it out, but if I can't get the microphones to work, I don't know what to do.
Well, we can still use it. We just won't be able to use it for what we originally wanted to use it for.
Right, for interviews and investigations and stuff.
Right, but I mean, we could still use it.
Mm-hmm.
Like we're using this one.
Mm-hmm.
So. And you went to the store and you got all the stuff to hang my curtains.
And then we sat down and didn't do anything after that.
I figure we got all day tomorrow. We can hang the curtains tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, that's about it. And yeah.
Yeah.
I'm tired. We're gonna watch more of the series of The Haunting of Hill House.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty interesting. We're probably going to have to, after we watch it, go back and rewatch it.
Mm-hmm.
But, yeah, it's pretty interesting so far. So, but we're going to go ahead and call it an evening. You ready? Stretch, yawn. No sneeze tonight? Okay. We're going to go ahead and call it an evening. We hope you enjoyed a little bit of something that you may have seen in our video today. If you have, take it away, Angel. Favorite, comment down below. Share our video with your family and friends. But, most of all, please subscribe. And we will see you all tomorrow. Ta-ta for now. What? I love you? You okay there? I love you. I love you. I love you.
He's choking on it now.